at the types of transformation that we have. We are starting with translation. Translation can be described as a sliding of points or objects. Now, when this type of transformation is performed, the object size is not being affected as well as the orientation of that particular object. It remains the same. Now, if you look at this triangle, before carrying out any transformation of this object, we refer to this object as the pre-image. Now, if I should slide this triangle to my right, then down a few steps, then I've performed translation on this object. And you can see that the size and the orientation of this shape has not changed at all. So this is the pre-image. Let me call this A. And the image, let me call this B after the transformation. So this is the image. And this is the pre-image. So we have transformed triangle A to triangle B. So this is how to perform translation on an object. Okay, we have a triangle here. I want to translate this triangle using this vector. Using the vector 4, minus 5. Now before I will transform this, let me just say one or two things about translating an object or a point. Now we are given a point to translate. Like in this triangle, I want to use the vector 4, minus 5. Now what this simply implies is that on the horizontal axis, I want to move 4 steps or 4 blocks or 4 grids to my right. Then minus 5 means that on the vertical axis, I will move 5 steps downward. Now, a journey so if I move from a given point to the right horizontally, that is the x-axis, that will give me a positive movement. So that's when I have. But if I go to the left, that means that the coordinate of x at that point is negative. On the other hand, if the movement is vertically upward on the y-axis, that means that that is a positive coordinate for y. And if it is downward, that means it's going to be negative. So using this particular vector 4 minus 5 to translate this shape, this simply implies that I want to move 4 steps to my right and 5 steps downward to get a new image. So let us see how this can be done. Okay, so let us go ahead and translate this object. So what I'm going to do is, let me start with this point. So I'm going to move 4 blocks to my right. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 blocks down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the new point is going to be here. So let me increase the pen so that you can see that clearly. Okay, so this is better. Then I will go to this point and I'll do the same thing. 4 steps to my right, be 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 steps downward, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the new point. Then for the last one, I'm going to move 4 steps to my right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 steps downward. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all I need to do to complete this is just to join these 3 points together to form a new image. So I'm going to join these to this, join this, and join this. So you can see now that we have a new image. So let's call this A. Let's call this new image B. So basically that is how to translate an